in Walmart ever since I came here and went upstairs to look at the Christmas stuff. I was meaning to come back and look at their gift section, which is actually downstairs. So I'm in here now, but I'm standing here looking at these sweaters, and I'm gonna take a look at these, and then I'm gonna head over to the you know, the where they keep the stocking stuffers and that. But when I walked in, I saw this, and it's a happy planner, and it was on the clearance section, so I'm looking for somebody to find out how much it is, even though I don't need it. But this was pretty cool, and hopefully it's on clearance. We'll see how much it is, but I'll tell you that in a minute. I'm gonna show you these sweaters real cute because they are so cute. So first you got this one right here, and it says peace, and it actually comes with a beanie for $19.96. That is so cute. This one down here has a beanie as well. Look at that, the little beading on it and everything. And this one says let it snow. Super cute. Here's another one that comes with the hat, and it has the black and white trim at the bottom with the hat to match it. I really like this one, and it has a cute little tree on it. And then the rest of these don't have hats, but they are cute. They light up. This one says chillin'. How much is that? That one is $24.96. I'm having a meltdown. This one is super cute. How much is that one? $14.96. That's not bad, even though the material is really thin, like it's super thin, but it's super cute if you just want to wear it, you know, around Christmas. That one says nope, not today. Be naughty, save Santa a trip. And it comes with the hat. I got here on my reindeer. And then you just got those right there. I like this thermal. No, is it a thermal? No, it's not really a thermal. I don't know, it's like a mixture between a sweatshirt and a thermal and a t-shirt. The material is really thin, but these are cute. Okay, so let's head over to the seasonal section. Oh, look you guys, they got some new limited edition sugar cookie toast crunch. Never seen that. What else did I just see? Oh, look, Frosted Flakes pumpkin spice. That sounds good. I've seen the frosted mini wheats and pumpkin spice, but never that Frosted Flakes. That's cool. Okay, I'm supposed to be heading over to the seasonal section, but everything keeps jumping out at me. Look at these smartwatches for kids. This would be a cool Christmas gift. They're only $24.88. Never even seen these before. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna have to read up on this later. I'm gonna go online and see all what it does. Take picture and video, play games, set alarms and timers. Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up and decide if I want to buy one for Pooh Bear. That would be so cute for him. Okay, so I'm here now, and I did just find somebody that gave me the price on this, and it is not on clearance. So I'm gonna sit this down, and then we are going to look at all of these goodies. Okay, so the first thing I see are these 3-piece makeup brush sets, and they are $4.96. Look at that. That is pretty. For $19.88. That's really pretty. For a professional. They look really soft. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's not bad. Oh, look at that. I love that purple and blue ombre with the bag to come with it for $14.88, and they also have it in blue. And then here's this set right here for $14.88. $9.88 for this one, and it comes with the 2 sponges on the side, and then they also have it in navy blue. Look at that packaging. So that's the white set and that's navy blue. And then you got this right here for $9.88. So you got different ones right here. It comes with the brow powder and the blush and a highlighter. And then this one over here has eyeshadows and eyelashes and everything for $9.88. And you got buckets of fingernail polish for $9.88. These bags are super cute for $4.88 right here. That one, what is this? Oh, I like this one. That's cute. This one reminds me of Ed Hardy. And of course, they got some llamas around here. And then here's some mirrors. Cute little stocking stuffer mirrors. Oh my gosh, they got a lot of stuff. Look at these little bags right here. And it kind of looks like it's like a backpack. And these are only $4.88, and they have the little fingernail file that comes with it. So you have the elephant, and I see this cute little bear. Oh, he's so cute for a teenager. Oh, they got a cat back there wearing glasses. Those are cute. Here's some more bags up here. They're a little bigger. These ones are $9.88 and floral prints. Oh, this one is cute. What does it come with? Oh, this one comes with brushes. That's cute. So here you have a 3-piece bath set, and it has a body lotion and a pillow. It says pillow body spray. I'm not too sure, but then it has the cute little bag, and these are $4.88. And look at this black and gold. Ooh. They have so much cute stuff. $4.88. They got Bodycology. Oh, they got big buckets up there. Big. Oh, these are cute. They look like something you would find at Bath and Body Works. Hand lotion and hand wash for $4.88. Bath bombs, $4.88. Oh, look at this. Bath Time Cocktails Bubble Bath. You get all of these. You get rosé all day, pomegranate, pina colada, mai tai. I'm not gonna read them all. Lemon lime margarita, peach bellini. Oh, this is cute. I like that a lot for $9.88. And those bags up there are stuffed with stuff in them. Look at that. So these are already ready to made and ready to give for $19.88. Then you got an advent calendar up here, 25 days of bath bliss. That's cute. Peppermint, sugar plum, and gingerbread. Oh, when I first looked at these, I thought these were from Lush. Look at that, bubble bath bar. These are good knockoffs. Red velvet, vanilla bean swirl cake. And these are bubble bath jelly for $3. Here's some more little bags. You know, Walmart is good for having all of the lip balm sets. You get all of those. M&M's, lip smackers. There's more down here. You got Cold Stone, Nerds, Blow Pop, and all of these are only $1. Okay, you guys know I like crazy stuff. Look at this avocado flavored lip gloss. Oh my goodness. Cereal and milk flavored. There was a time where I would have went crazy for these. Gummy bear flavored, but I'm really interested in that avocado. And then I see some underneath. Let's see. I see pepperoni flavor, birthday cake, and maple bacon. Those will be fun to put in stockings for kids. Okay, these are berry flavored. Oh, these are cute. These would be like collectibles. That's super cute. So you got Ariel, Minnie Mouse, Winnie the Pooh. Okay, I need that one. Just because it's Winnie the Pooh. I need that. I see Snow White with an apple flavored, strawberry. Oh, these are cute. But I definitely got to get this. And then look at this right here. It is a large lip gloss palette, and look at that. It's Ariel again, and it comes with a mirror on the inside. So you have that one. You have the giant Minnie Mouse. What little girl or teenager would not love to get one of these? You have Belle, and these are only $4.88. Who else do I see back there? That's all I see. Oh no, you got a giant apple back there too. Let's see. You got the apple. That is cute. Oh my goodness. Do I see Winnie the Pooh and Winnie the Pooh? Oh, that is so adorable. And these are only $4.88. Okay, that's not bad. That's not a bad deal, because if you go to the section where the makeup is, you can buy stuff like this individual, but it still would be more than $9.88. And that highlighter is really, really nice. They got a primer, you got rose gold, everything, and some lip glosses and a bag. So that's not bad at all. Oh, I might have to try this one. Look at that. You got matte, demi-matte, shiny, and glitter at the bottom. A whole set for $9.88. I might get that one. I'm not sure yet. And then what is this? Don't Sweat It. Hydrating lip balm. Okay, these are cute. Cosmetic set with case. Oh, it just popped open. So you get a mirror right there, and then you get all of this in here, as well as the case for $19.88, and they have that color and the rose gold. There's some sets for men. Axe. You get all of that in there. And it comes with this nice carrying case. Look at that. The only thing is I don't see any price tags. They have different ones, but I don't see a price tag on any of these. There's usually a thing right here, but it's not there. I also see one for, is this women? Yeah, for women. But no prices. And they also have the Dove set. Look at these animal massagers for $1. Look at this. A little unicorn. Unicorns, cats, and dogs. Look at this, my first Christmas tree. I never seen this before. That is so cute. Oh, when you wish your kids were little still, and it was $39.88. That is so cute. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my preview of the stocking stuffers section. I guess that's what you want to call this, the gift section. So I'm just gonna get up out of here. I do need to go over and get some toilet paper. I do have the Pooh Bear or the Honey Pot honey flavored lip gloss. That's the only thing I picked up from over here today. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I gotta get some toilet paper and some other stuff, and that's it. So I just wanted to bring you along with me. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.